people. So considering mine is a review channel, I'm very keen to give a glimpse of these different kind of shows on Netflix, because most often we tend to watch the same kind of program, same kind of they say our mind is like, basically we are amalgamation of 5 different, the people we spend time with, the books we read, and the shows we watch. So keeping that in mind, there's this show called Unbelievable, which is here it is based in Colorado in the States, and it follows the real life. That's what, there's a lot of crime that takes place in this place called Colorado in the States, and it's about this one girl's fight for justice, where that she was molested, and then how the entire legal system works. I mean, there are people who believe her story, then there are those who dispute it, and it's watching a show like that, and it's based on true life events, so it gives you goosebumps, really. So you all should try and check it out, people. It's called Unbelievable, and it's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.